Finally guys, we have reached the topic of using the tools. So we will be using some of these tools: Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and AMZ Suggestion Expander. So AMZ Suggestion Expander is basically a free tool that I have shown you before as well. So there are these three tools we mostly use for hunting the product, and then after that we validate those products which we have shortlisted. So basically each of these tools have two parts. Helium 10, like I will be showing you the example with the Helium 10. So Helium 10 has two parts: web plus extension. Okay, so with web we mostly hunt the product, and then with extension of the Helium 10 we analyze those products. So let's go live and I will show you there. Alright guys, we are here on the Amazon page. So you can see here, these are the extensions, and this extension that you can see here, this is Helium 10 extension, right? So this is the extension, and here is the Helium 10 web. All right, this is the Helium 10 web. So from here we will start our product hunting, and with the extension then we will start analyzing the product. So these are the two parts of Helium 10, and for each of the tools you will find such two parts, like one will be extension and the other will be the web form, right? And adding to this, I will let you know and show you that how you can install this extension. So it's really easy. You will just come here and open a new tab, and you can write Helium 10 Google extension, right? And you can see here Helium 10 Chrome. This is the extension. Okay guys, so this window has shown up here, and you can see this extension is already installed on my Chrome. So here you will see the option that add this extension. So you will just click that one, and this extension will be added into your Chrome. Then you will just come here, and this is the option of extensions. You will click it and you will just pin that extension. Now here I have pinned this Helium 10 extension, and I have all of those others. So for now I have just pinned this one, and it's appearing here. So this was the way to install the extension and a little bit of production to Helium 10. And now let me just introduce a little bit of the web form of this Helium 10. Basically Helium 10 is not just one tool, but Helium 10 is a software package of tools. You can just come here and see all of these: Blackbox, Trendstar, Magnet, Cerebro, Frankenstein, Scribble, Index Checker, and so on. So these are all the tools with which the Helium 10 is consistent, and Helium 10 contains all of these tools. So basically Helium 10 is a package of tools, and you can perform different functions with each of these tools. These have their own specialities and functionalities, and we will be discussing each of them in detail. So this was a short introduction of the Helium 10, and in the next lecture we will be starting the hunting first step, that how you will hunt a product.